All right, back in the development bay this week, we have a 2023 Subaru WRX. So this car was equipped from the dealership with the Subaru STI exhaust option. As you can see, you get a much smaller muffler from the factory and these interesting looking tips. So the complaint we've heard about the STI exhaust on the WRX is that it drones pretty bad on the interstate. And in our test drive, we definitely noticed that it is actually pretty bad, especially for a stock exhaust system. Starting from the front here, we've adapted the factory downpipe to our 3-inch catback system. Runs 3-inch all the way back to dual 2.5, which will flow a whole lot more than the stock very small system. But this will flow right into our completely redesigned rear silencers. These are not necessarily a straight through design, but you'll get a lot more noise out of them than the factory ones and less drone. So we get a happy medium there. To finish this out the back, we have our quad 4-inch tips. These ones here are finished in the Cerakote black option that we offer. But these quad 4-inch just fill in that rear valence way better than the factory, especially the factory STI option. So let's see how it sounds.